Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3. Les Chris 85 is Get Money TV. I'm gonna install these side splitters to the facade. It's gonna look good. So these are from APS Dynamics. Pretty good reviews. They're pretty durable. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and get to it. All right, so one of the biggest things you want to look for is make sure you have opposite sides, passenger and drivers. Make sure there's no major damage or any damage at all. I measured the side skirt at about 80 inches. I'm only going to use 79 because I don't want it to be too long. And I'm going to take the tape and I'm going to put it on the underside of the splitter. Fuck the tape. We just doing it old school. All right, so I have about 82 inches, a little bit more. And I'm gonna cut it right here at 79. Now that I have that nice and marked, time to slice and dice.
Chris 85 is Get Money TV.
So I'm gonna go ahead and install these side splitters. Seems like a pretty simple installation, but before I do that, I have some clear PVC strips that I'm gonna install for my underglow. It's gonna give it some extra protection from dirt and rocks and also from rain. I'm gonna save that one for another episode, so stay tuned. I pre-drilled with this drill bit, which is actually made for wood, but it worked. And I also used these self-tapping screws just to give it a better hold when I was finished. Either way, it sticks on there pretty well. And I'm actually gonna go in and fill some of these gaps with the self-tapping screws just to give a little bit of extra hold.
Les Chris 85 is Get Money TV.